Hi, welcome to Katerina Finds. I received such a portable ice maker by Briobite. Let's make some ice cream. It comes with super cool recipe book and manual. Recipe book has so many different recipes. You can create your own ice cream and skip all the additives that conventional ice cream has. I decided to go with no egg vanilla ice cream, as we love vanilla ice cream and it's the easiest one to create, just to show how machine works. I love the machine as it comes with the charger. You can charge it and you can take it with you wherever you need to go. Everything is hand wash, so be sure to follow that. It has the whisk, just put it on. And then there is a plastic nozzle to install over here, just to pour all the liquids in. Liquids should not contain any ice. You can premix everything and maximum volume is half a liter, 500 milliliters. To make ice cream, you need to freeze the bowl at least for 16 hours, and we already did it. That's why I don't show unboxing, because it's just simply taken out of the box. It was boxed very nicely. Here's my bowl. It was in the freezer for quite a time. I'm a little bit germophobic, so I cover it with the zip bag. It will create half a kilogram basically of the ice cream. It's so frozen. Let's do it. My son going to help me. He's gonna be a chef. He's gonna be labored. I will tell him what to do. For vanilla ice cream, we need to mix half a cup of sugar. We have a weird organic sugar with 1 cup of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream. We're just going to mix it and pour it into the bowl. So based on the texture you would like to achieve, you either put it on 25 minutes or 35 minutes. We can start with 25 minutes as we can have softer ice cream. What do you mean? Supposed to screw it on. So if by any means whisk got disconnected, it will blink red and it will not work. So just take the lid off, connect it back, and it will work. That's what we just did. So the way this machine works, it's cool enough, the mixture that we did, and it become ice cream, and then I can put it in the freezer to stiff it up a little bit, or I can have it a little bit softer ice cream. It's based on the recipe. If you don't have certain ingredients, you can create your own ice cream slushy. It does sorbets, it does sugar-free ice cream, dairy-free ice cream. There are so many recipes. You can also create a slushy. And after you practice with couple recipes, you probably can create your own, like using the protein powder or something else. I like that it doesn't produce too much noise and it just works on its own. I already can see that it's thickening up a little bit. I'm using very thick organic heavy cream that had a lot of stiff cream as you saw it. I'll show you when it stops. So we did 35 minutes. Let's open up and see. Everything is super easy to wash. So like, I'll rinse all of this. I'll just wipe. This is how it looks. I could use it freezer for a little bit longer, but I think we shouldn't. This one will be rinsed too. But his mouth first. You wanna lick it? No. I didn't freeze it how it was saying in the recipe that I need to freeze it for 2 hours after it's done. I didn't. It's soft, but it's such a beautiful texture. And it basically did all the work for me. I only pre-mixed everything and poured it in it and charged it on time. Mint. Look how pretty it is. Oh my god. It's a little baby. And oh my god, I highly recommend it. I did the simplest first recipe out of the recipe book. He was telling me how he's not gonna eat it because it was fat in the cream, but look at him. Cannot even stop eating the fresh ice cream. Basically just premix. I did premix 4 ingredients. I pre-froze bowl and that's it. It's mixing on its own, super easy to clean. Just rinse everything basically. It's super easy. Very great quality product. You can pre-freeze it, charge it, and it's make you ice cream. In recipe it was telling me that I need to freeze the ice cream after it's made for a couple hours, I believe, but I didn't do it. It was good. I'm pretty sure you can run it another 25 or 35 minutes if you want it to be more frozen. It runs 4 times, 3 or 4 times on a full charge, so you can actually make more ice cream. I love it. The ice cream going to be our favorite dessert now, since I know which product and what cream I'm using, and I know what ingredients I'm using. So even in organic products nowadays, you can find certain questionable ingredients, and I would have none. I love it. I highly recommend it.